Many people believe achieving their dream smile is beyond their budget, but affordable dental health providers, ADHP is here to show you it's not. This is Cheap Dental Implants. Transform your smile for less. Cheap Dental Implants, an affordable path to a healthy smile. Revolutionize your oral health with modern dental implants that seamlessly blend aesthetics and functionality. Explore the benefits of cheap dental implants in California, leading to happy patients. Choose ADHP for quality yet affordable dental care, where experienced dentists and advanced technology ensure your confident smile is within reach. Discover the Vault of AD's exceptional cheap implant services, where we believe in making radiant smiles accessible to all without compromising on quality. Choose ADHP for your dental implants in Long Beach and experience personalized and convenient care delivered by a dedicated local team. Prioritizing our community, ADHP offers flexible appointments, payment options, and a welcoming environment, ensuring quality dental care for all residents. Navigating the true cost of dental implants. Embark on a journey to restore your smile with dental implants and discover the factors influencing costs. The number of teeth, required procedures like bone grafting, complexity, time, and region impact the total expense. ADHP is dedicated to providing high-quality, affordable dental implants without compromising excellence. Experience transparent pricing and no hidden fees, ensuring your smile transformation is stress-free. Prioritize your health with dental implants that are affordable yet maintain high quality. ADHP stands out among cheap dental implant providers, offering a unique blend of affordability, quality, and exceptional customer service. We ensure your smile restoration is both cost-effective and expertly cared for. Revive your smile with affordable dental implants at ADHP. Ready for a radiant smile? Contact us now for a consultation. Your journey towards a healthier smile begins today.